Welcome to Introduction to Geographic Information Systems. This, and the other learning resources in this course have been made possible by funding from the European Commission's Erasmus Plus program. We have now started to query and separate out our data. However, it is really hard to tell the different layers apart. Your colors might be different than mine, but the lines are really thin, which makes it hard to differentiate the layers. In this video we are going to fix that by changing their appearance. We'll start with the layer we have already separated out, the blue layer. Right-click on that layer. Now click the Properties. We are going to go to the Symbology tab. There we can change the look of the layer. In our case, we can see that there is a default style. You can change the style of that simple line. We can make it more transparent. We can change its width. Its color can be changed using a variety of tools. We can even choose predefined default styles. You can preview your work by hitting Apply to see the changes on your map area. What if you want to create your own styles? You can do that. Go to the top and click the green plus button. You have now brought up the Advanced Symbol Creator. Here you can create with almost unlimited options. We can change the width or the stroke type. You also have the options of different symbol layer type. If we want, we can have a marker line. You can see with this there is a hierarchy of different components. Each component can be styled as well. What's more, you can add more components yourself. Click the green plus to add another component. In this way, you can layer the styles as you see fit. In our case we have both a simple line and a marked line. It does not look too great, but it shows what is possible. If you click the top component you will be brought back to the main interface. There you will see the Save Symbol button. You can click on it to save the style, in case you might want to use it in the future. Let's set the style and see it on the map. Click OK. There it is. Not a great looking symbol, but you will have plenty of time to experiment to make it look better. In our case we have separated out our data into different layers. However, what if you wanted to style a layer by its attributes without having to go through the process of separating them out into different layers? We can do that. Right-click on your church's layer with data. Go to Properties and then the Symbology tab. At the top you will see a selector that says Single Symbol. Click it to see several other choices. Click on Categorized. You will see that the value selector is empty. Click it and select the attribute column that has our colors. In my case, when it imported, it came in as the column named Churches D. If you want you can choose how colors will be applied. We are going to stick with random colors. Now go down and click the Classify button. You will see that it has added all my categories. You can click on the symbol to change its presentation. I'm going to change their colors to match the categories. What if you have numerical data? Well, go to the graduated interface and you can see how you might assign styles to ranges of numbers. However, be careful when switching, as you can see you lose use settings if you switch. This time I am going to use our other attribute. Then I am going to slightly change the color and increase the line width to make it easier to see them. It has added different colors to our two categories of local and national. It will depend on your data, but you can assign styles to the different categories as you see fit. The style options will be slightly different for lines and polygons, but you can see how easy it is to change them so that you can better distinguish the different layers in your map.